नमस्ते मेरा जी, कैसे हो आप? ओके, चलिए क्लास शुरू करते हैं। सिट स्ट्रेट, gently close your eyes, keep your back neck straight in one line, roll your shoulder and drop your shoulders down. Keep your chest lifted. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om and then open mantra. Take a deep breath in. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। वन्दे गुरुणां चरणारविन्दे सन्दर्भसितास्वात्मसुखा भवोते निःशेषेचाङ्गलिकायमाने संसारहाला अहल्मोहशान्ते आबाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रास्यधारणं सहस्रारशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्। अथ योगानुशासनम्। Join your both palms together, rub your both palms, apply on your eyes, apply on your face, apply on your whole body, and gently pull down your head towards God. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Come into tabletop position on your mat. Let's begin with some warm-up. Inhale, look up for the cow pose, open your chest, roll your shoulder, tuck your tailbone out. Exhale, look down for the cat pose, make a hump on your back, push your shoulder blades away and tuck your tailbone in. Inhale, again look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now neutralize your spine, come in center. Inhale, lift your right leg off from the floor, lift right knee, leg up, lift your right leg up and bend your right leg towards your head and lift your chest up. Yes. Exhale, make a hump on your back and try to touch your knee on your forehead. अपनी नी को forehead पे लगाइए, forehead पे नीचे से. Yes. Inhale, again look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Release. Drop your leg down. Now change your leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, and down. Release your leg. Come into the neutral position again. Now start making a circle with your body. Inhale, go to the right, front, and then left. 1, 2, move with your wrist. 3, 4 and 5. Now anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Bend your legs one by one, shake your legs. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti. Now we'll start with sun salutation A. A, come inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva. So exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round. Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up, come for the Urdhva. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round. Ekam, inhale, again come for the Urdhva. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shat, exhale, Adho-mukha. Hold 1, keep lifting your tailbone high. 2, deep breath in, deep breath out. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front, middle of your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair, Uttanasana. Urdhva, sorry. Do exhale, bend for the Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front for Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth round, Ekam, inhale, come for the Urdhva. To exhale, come for the Uttanasana. 3, inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B, first round. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up. Come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. To exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. Three, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Sorry, right leg, yeah. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Utmukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. Three, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do third round. Come, inhale, again come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. To exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back chaturanga. Triodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. 2, exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do the first pose, Pad Angusht Asana. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees. Ekam, inhale, jump out of your both shoulders. Your leg should be open, shoulder distance apart. Keep your both palms on your waist and lift your chest up towards the ceiling. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Exhale, just bend fully forward down. Grab your both big toes with your first 2 fingers. Inhale, lift your chest up, lengthen your spine. Keep your spine lengthened, pull your spine front. Do not make an hump on your back. Now exhale, bend your both elbows and look between your both legs and try to stretch your spine down. नीचे खींचने की कोशिश करिए. Try to stretch as much as you can and hold 1. Very nice. 2, shift your weight from your heels to your toes as well. 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, halfway look up. 3, exhale, place your both palms under your feet. Under your feet for Pada Hastasana. Inhale, look front again, lengthen the spine. Chatwari, again bend your both elbows out and hold there for 5 counts. Look between your both legs again. 1, keep stretching yourself down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Pancha, inhale, come up. Exhale, again jump back to Samasthiti. Okay, now we'll do Tritikona Asana. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, right toe out, left toe in, both arms by the side. Now, Dwe, exhale, first stretch yourself towards the right side and engage your muscles. And then exhale, go down. Grab your big toe from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look up towards your left hand and hold there for 5 counts. Keep pressing your hip inside. If your hips are going out, just press it in. 1, and open your chest. 2, Bring your both shoulders in 1 line. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. 3, inhale, come up. Chatwari, change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Again, stretch yourself towards the right, left side, and exhale, go down. Chatwari, exhale, and inhale, look up towards your right arm. 1, 2, keep twisting yourself with the thoracic. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Now turn yourself to the right side, right toe out, left toe in. Now we'll do Parivartit Trikonasana. Square your hips. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Square your hips towards the right. Place your right arm on your waist. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Now do exhale, place your left palm out of your right feet. Inhale, take your right arm over your head and hold there for 5 counts. 1, upar. Take your right arm up by the side. 2, stretch up. 3, 4, keep your legs straight. And 5. Exhale, look down. 3, inhale, come up. Now change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Place your left palm on your waist. Inhale, right arm stretch over your head. Now at Chatwari, exhale, bend towards the left side. Place your right arm, palm out of your left feet. Take your left arm up and look towards your left palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. आगे आ जाइए समस्थिति में सामने. Shake your legs. Now we'll do Utthita Padshkonasana. Ekam inhale, send your right leg back, right toe out, left toe in. Both hands parallel to the floor. Now bend your right leg at 90 degree. और ओपन करिए, डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज करिए मिराज जी, डिस्टेंस बढ़ाइए लेग्स के बीच में. Now exhale, drop your right hand out of your right feet. Inhale, swing your left arm over your head. Look towards your left hand and open your chest. 1. Keep sinking with your hips down. Hip को नीचे push करते रहिए. 3, 4, and 5. 3, inhale, come back up. Chatwari, left toe out, right toe in. Now exhale, drop your right palm out of your left feet. Sorry, left palm out of your left feet. बाहर रखिए उसे, कोशिश करिए बाहर रखिए लेफ्ट फीट के लेफ्ट पाम को. Inhale, take your right arm over your head. Open your chest again and hold. 1, keep looking towards your right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale again, come back up. Same, twist yourself. Now place your right palm on your waist and left arm stretch. Now turn yourself to the right side. Right toe out, left toe in. Bend your right leg at the knee at 90 degree angle. Now do exhale, place your left palm out of your right feet. Inhale, take your right arm over your head. आगे खींचे हाथ को. 1, 2, keep yourself twisting with your thoracic. 3, twist करिए जितना हो सके. 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. 3, inhale, come up. Now left toe out, right toe in. Place your right palm out of your left feet and inhale, stretch your left arm over your head. Hold. 1, leg bend, keep pushing with your hips down. Hip को भी push करिए नीचे. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front. Back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Check करिए अपने legs को. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana A. Send your right leg back, both toes in, heels out. 4 feet apart, 4 feet जितना आप गैप खोल सकते हो आप, 3.5 4 feet. Keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Contract your shoulder blades. Try to touch your elbows closer to each other behind your back. Now drop your both palms on the mat between your both legs. Inhale, Trini, inhale, halfway look up. And exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, come up, straight your elbows. Exhale, drop your both palms on the waist. Pancha, inhale, come back up. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana B. Come, inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Do exhale, drop your both palms on your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up. Trini, exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. Do not remove your palms from your waist, just keep them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, come back up. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana C. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side, Ekam. Do exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back. Turn your palms out, lift your chest up. Inhale. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Sorry, Trini, exhale, bend fully forward down. And try to touch your crown head. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale. Come back up. Chatwari, inhale, come up. Exhale, release the hands on your waist. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana D. Inhale, Ekam, inhale, lift your chest up towards the ceiling and look up. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Now grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Now inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. And Trini, exhale, bend your both elbows and look down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now Chatwari, inhale, lift your chest up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, drop both palms on your waist. Pancha, inhale, come up. Exhale, stepping your right leg front back to the Samasthiti. Shake your both legs. Now we'll do Parshvottanasana, pyramid pose. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back. First make Namaste behind your back. Namaste बनाइए पीठ के पीछे. And open your chest. Push your both palms closer to each other as much as you can. Push it properly. Now Ekam, inhale, slide your right leg back. Right toe out, left toe in. 3.5 or 4 feet apart. Square your hip towards the right side. Square kariye hip ko right side. And do exhale, bend towards the right side and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Trini, inhale, come up. And Chatwari, change your side. Left toe out and right toe in. Now Chatwari, exhale, bend towards the left side. Go forward left side and hold. Very nice. 1. Try to go as much as deep you can. और ये थोड़ा सा पुश करिए थोड़ा सा अपने आप को. 2. अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आइए. 3, 4, and 5. Pancha, inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front and removing your hands, come into Samasthiti. Shake your hands, shake your shoulders, shake your legs. Okay, now we'll do Utthita Hasta Padangushtasana. Ekam, inhale, bend your right leg at the knee and grab your right big toe from your first 2 fingers. Okay. ऐसे ग्रैब कर लीजिए लेग को, खड़े खड़े स्टैंड अप में ऐसे कैसे ग्रैब कर, टोस को ग्रैब करिए, राइट टू का पहले करिए. Ekam, inhale, straight your right leg and lift your chest up. जितना चेस्ट को ऊपर पुश कर सकते हो पुश करिए. And do exhale, try to pull your leg up and take your chin towards your sin. चिन को अपने सिन की तरफ लेके जाइए and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, Treni, inhale, lift your chest up again, keep your legs straight. Chatwari, exhale, take your right leg towards the right side, look left side. Balance it, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale, bring your right leg front. And shut, exhale, again try to touch your chin on your sin. Sapta, release your leg for Ekpadasana. Keep your both palms on your waist and keep your legs stretched front. Lift your leg up, point your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, drop your right leg down. Now change your leg. Bend your left leg at the knee. Ashto, bend your right leg and straight inhale. Straight your left knee. Lift your chest up. Nava, exhale. Try to touch your chin on your sin and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dasha, inhale, again chest up, leg down. Ekadasha, take your left leg towards the left side and look right side. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dwadasha, inhale, bring your right leg front. Trayodasha, exhale, touch your chin on your sin. And Chaturdasha, release your leg for Ekpadasana. Keep your leg straight in the air. 1, hold your leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release, leg down, exhale, and shake your leg. Ekam, inhale. Now we'll do Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Ekam, inhale, bend your right leg over your left top of the thigh. Grab your right feet with your right hand behind your back if you can. If you cannot, it's okay. You can keep your leg like this only and take your hand back. Very good. Inhale, lift your left arm up. So exhale, bend fully forward down. Try to go down and place your left palm out of your left feet. अपने लेफ्ट पाम को अपने लेफ्ट फीट के बाहर रखिए. कोई नहीं, सर रहने दीजिए, ऐसे ही रखिए, हाथ को ऐसे रखिए, ऐसे ही चले जाइए नीचे. होल्ड 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, Treni, inhale, come up. Now release your toe first, and then Chatwari, exhale, drop your leg also down. Now Pancha, bend your left feet over your right off of the thigh. Grab your toes. Now lift your right hand up in the air. Exhale, bend forward and place your right palm out of your right feet. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come up. First release your toe, then release your leg down. Shake your leg. We now come in front of the mat. Now we'll go for the next posture. Take 1 feet distance. Shake your legs. Okay, come inhale, raise your both arms for Urdhva Hastasana. Do exhale for Uttanasana. Trini inhale, look front. Exhale Uttanasana, bend fully forward down. Trini inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale for downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into Utkatasana, chair pose. Hold into chair pose. 1, keep your knees back and sit down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ashto, exhale, place your both palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. Dasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Ekadasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dvadasha, exhale, Adho Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Make warrior A from your right leg. Hold 1, keep sinking with your pelvis down and square your hips. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ashto, change your side, left toe out, right toe in. No, do not jump back, do not jump back. No, same, from same position. Right leg front, right leg. Yeah, come up for the warrior A. Now from here only change your leg, left toe out, right toe in. Yeah, change your side like this. Yes. Hold, warrior A on left side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nava, open your hands. Come for the warrior B, left side. 1. No, left side. Right side, left side. Left side, yeah. 2, 3, it's a sequence. 4, and 5. Dasha, right toe out, left toe in. For warrior A, B, right side now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ekadasha, put your both palms down. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Dandasana. Now from here, our sitting sequence will be start. Okay, we will do the sitting sequence tomorrow. Lay down on your back today. Lay down on your back. Now bend your both knees and grab your both ankles. For bridge pose, drop your feet down. Now inhale and lift your hip up. Hip ko upar uthaiye. Inhale. Exhale, drop your hip down. Contract your shoulder blades here. Inhale again, hip up. Exhale, hip down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, drop your hip down, bend your both knees towards your chest and hug your legs. Hug kariye legs ko. Now exhale, try to touch your head on your knee and now roll yourself front and back properly. Massage to your whole spine. Side roll, side to side. Straight your leg and relax into Savasana. Now turn yourself to the right side and press with left arm. Sit in any comfortable position. Keep your neck back straight, spine straight. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by three Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your palms together, rub your palms. Apply on your eyes, on your face, on your whole body. And gently pull down your head towards God. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste to all. So if you have any questions, any doubts related to asanas, you can ask.
So whenever I do warrior pose, the leg which is going in the 90 degree, because maybe because I don't have a mirror or maybe because it's too new, I don't realize if it's in the L shape or not. From my side, I think that I have done it, but still it's not 90.
Okay, I will clear the one confusion that people usually have in warrior poses. So whenever like someone say that bring your right leg in 90 degree. So what will happen if someone did not have this like hamstring flexibility or their groins muscles not that much flexible or their hip joints are not that much no, they do not have mobility in their hip joints. So how they will make 90 degree? They cannot make this 90. They cannot make this L shape like this because for them it is tough because we need strength also. At the same time, we need flexibility also. So this is tough. So what main motive is to keep your leg this. This should be L shape. What is the L shape mean? That your knee and ankle should be in one line. Do not keep your leg like this. If you will keep your leg mm, before the ankle, you will feel pressure on your leg. This is wrong. If you will take your knee front, this is also wrong. So main motive is to make the L like from the floor.
Okay.
This is the L, real L. So you have to do like this.
Okay.
So your ankle, your knee will not get hurt. So the main motive of saying that bring your leg in 90 degrees that. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you so much. Take care, Miraji. See you on Monday.